how to use whey protein powder to lose weight. The use of protein supplements is a well-known strategy when you are trying to build up your body. Protein is the building block of muscles and tissues, so it makes sense to increase your protein intake when you're trying to build up your muscle mass. However, an increased protein allowance can also help you weight by keeping you feeling full for longer periods of time and banishing unhealthy cravings. Unfortunately, when people start cutting calories from their diet, protein is one of the things that is sacrificed because many sources of this nutrient, such as eggs, cheese, and meats, often have corresponding amounts of fat as well. This is where whey protein powder steps in. Whey is sourced from the liquid part of milk as opposed to the fatty part. It also contains leucine, an amino acid that has been found to help the body burn fat. Whey protein powder is relatively tasteless, so it can be added to a variety of food and beverages. Lactose has been removed, so even if you happen to be intolerant of dairy, you can safely add this to your diet. Here's how to use whey protein powder to lose weight. 1. There are many brands of whey protein powders sold in health stores nowadays. Although they are fairly similar, they will have slight variations in terms of taste and pricing. There are some varieties that are unflavored and others that come in chocolate or vanilla. As far as flavors go, it is largely a matter of personal preference. You need to get a whey powder that you don't find unpalatable, simply because you will be incorporating this into your diet. Consider how you intend to consume your whey protein powder. Unflavored ones are best for mixing with fruit juices or greens. For smoothies, chocolate or vanilla tend to taste better. 2. Since you will be using whey as an aid for weight loss, you need to watch the caloric content. Pick a brand that contains 90% of pure protein by weight rather than whey protein concentrate or whey blends. The latter formulations have lower protein content and they typically have more calories or carbohydrates per serving. 3. In the US, the recommended daily allowance, RDA, of protein for the average adult is 0.8 grams for every kilogram of body weight. Most fitness experts would recommend temporarily increasing this to 1 gram of protein for every pound of body weight to boost the body's metabolism during the initial stages of your weight loss program. Of course, this recommendation is not for everyone. Many will find their need for protein to be below or average this general guideline, which is why it is always best to consult a qualified professional before making drastic changes. However, taking a whey protein-enriched shake once or twice a day should be fine unless you have a pre-existing medical condition that prevents your body from processing protein normally. 4. The best time to take whey is within half an hour after your workout. Whey will help your muscles recover faster and aid in building lean muscle to replace fat lost. 5. Your other protein shake of the day can be taken whenever you feel like it. Some people take it during one of the regular meals, be it breakfast, lunch, or dinner, either as a meal replacement or to supplement very light or like soup or salad. The tips above teach you how to use whey protein powder to lose weight. However, protein supplements for weight loss will only be effective when combined with proper exercise and dietary choices. Do not take whey protein powder more than twice a day. Doing so can overburden the liver and lead to serious health issues. When in doubt, always seek professional medical advice. Visit Billihealth.com to know more about how to use whey protein powder to lose weight.